Translations. Shapes can be transformed in many different ways. A translation is a transformation which moves everything a certain amount in a certain direction. Translations are described by position vectors which show the movement horizontally and vertically. For example, 3 minus 1 is the position vector for the transformation shown. Rotations. Rotation is a transformation where a shape turns to a specific angle about a fixed point. The center of rotation can be inside or outside the shape. If rotated anti-clockwise, its rotation is positive. If rotated clockwise, its rotation is negative. Reflections. A reflection transforms a shape in the same way as a mirror. The reflection is an image of the shape flipped over. The distances between the points on a shape are equal to the distances between the points on its image. Enlargements. When a projector throws an image on a screen, the image is the same shape as the object, but on a larger scale. This is called an enlargement. The shape shown has a scale factor of 2. The enlargement is twice as big. The light source is called the center of enlargement. Fractional and negative enlargements. Lines drawn from the light source center to the enlargement are guidelines. The distance from the center to the object multiplied by the scale gives the distance from the center to the image. This can be fractional, for example, a scale of half as demonstrated. It can also be negative, for example, a scale of -1 as demonstrated. Centers of enlargements. We can work out where the center of enlargement is in the following way. Draw guidelines from corresponding points on the object and its image as shown. Where the lines meet is the origin, O. We can calculate the scale by dividing the image length to the origin by the object length to the origin. Combining transformations. Sometimes an image is transformed more than once. This is called compound transformation. As we can see, shape A is first reflected in the x-axis. It is then reflected in the y-axis. This can be described as a single rotation of 180 degrees clockwise at center, 0, 0. Tessellations. A tessellation is a set of shapes that fit together with no gaps or overlaps. Observe how the shape shown fits together perfectly. Some regular polygons, such as equilateral triangles and squares, are able to tessellate on their own.